Brother Meka, come close. Come close. Bien, so bien. I don't bite. Bien so. Brother Meka, I know that you and letter L and R are not really best of friends. So you people are quarreling. You people don't have a good working relationship. But I am here to help you. Now listen, I'm not here to judge you. That's not why I came. I did not come here to condemn you. I did not come here to judge you. It's called mother tongue. It's our mother tongue. Of course, I'm your sister, and I understand. You know, I'm not here to judge you. Every tribe has a speech defect factor. Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, but I am here to correct your own. As my brother, as Onye Nkemibo. So, Brother Meka, we're going to try to pronounce some words. Okay? We can work on these things. Trust me. I will help you work on that speech defect because they will not tell you the truth. The reason how they read your money, and they will not take you serious. It's because of that thing. They may not tell you, but they're not really proud of it. They won't want to tell you, but me, I will tell you. So I'm here to help you work on it. You know, just have an open heart, an open mind, and be willing to learn. Let me take you through the process. Let me hold your hand every step of the way. You know? Wow. The first word we are going to learn today is this. Ready. The word ready. Lady. Ha! Brother Meka, no, now that's not how it is called. You are planning a date with her, and the day now comes. Are you lady? The lady, I'm lady. Hey! Why would she eat your money and run now? Why won't she eat your money and run, Brother Meka? That's not how it is pronounced. Don't worry. You have me. I'm here to help you correct it. You know? Well, let's go into business. Let's go. Ready. Ready. This is how it goes. No le. Don't show me your tongue. Don't lay anything. Let the tip of your tongue touch the tip of your upper lip. What? Try it. Ready. Keep practicing it, okay? That is the first word we're going to learn today. Be sure that you save this video and use it to do your practices, okay? I'm going to come back again with another words. We're going to be learning the basics. We'll be learning the basics. From there, we'll graduate into secondary and bigger words. For now, we're starting with simpler and basic words. One thing you're going to do for me, save this video. Save this video, Brother Meka. Save your video. No one. All right. Thanks for coming to my speech correction classes.